Hi, I'm Dan Smith of DPS Legal Counsel, and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to talk about crowdfunding and how crowdfunding can be used by small businesses and business startups in a couple of ways. One way is to simply raise funds for their business or project that they are embarking on. Another way is a business can use crowdfunding to raise capital through the issuance of securities to potential investors through crowdfunding. So let me just kind of take those one at a time and talk about crowdfunding for small businesses. The first possibility for using crowdfunding is if a company or a small business simply wants to raise funds for a project, but it's not interested in issuing securities or providing equity ownership to people who put money in through crowdfunding. Simply, they want to raise capital funding for their business, and so they will use a crowdfunding website to raise money. A couple of those would be Indiegogo.com, another is Kickstarter.com, and if you go to one of those websites, it allows businesses to raise funds for their projects through their portals. You have to be careful if you are planning on or considering using crowdfunding to raise funds for your business or for a particular venture for your business, to be completely upfront and honest about what you're going to do, and you have to be completely upfront and honest about the use of the funds that you raise through crowdfunding. Just today, and today I'm taping this video on May the 6th, 2019. Just today, the FTC filed a complaint against a company and its operator for raising money through a crowdfunding campaign, or actually several crowdfunding campaigns, and then failing to deliver the products, but rather using a large portion of the funds raised for what the FTC alleges were personal expenses. That is something that you just cannot do. If you are going to consider using crowdfunding to fund a project, you need to make sure that you fulfill your promises that you make on the crowdfunding website, and actually use the funds for the proper purpose. The second category of crowdfunding use by a small business would be to use crowdfunding to actually get investors in your business through the use of a crowdfunding portal, raise funds for your business and actually issue ownership percentages or shares to the people who put money into your business through crowdfunding. There is a regulation that the SEC promulgated or issued called the crowdfunding regulation. It does allow businesses to raise up to $1,070,000 in a 12-month period through relatively small contributions from investors through crowdfunding. You would need to look at the regulation carefully and follow its terms and conditions carefully. It does put limits on how much particular investors can put in based on their income and their net worth, and it does require that the company that's raising equity investment through crowdfunding provide accurate disclosure about their business when they make a filing with the SEC to raise money through crowdfunding. Okay, I hope that helps, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.